To freeze-dry chives, first use scissors to cut the chives about 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters above the root. Once the chives are prepped, rinse them for about 10 seconds to remove any dirt or debris. Once clean, trim any bruised or wilted areas, then place the chives on a clean towel and dab dry. Transfer your chives to a cutting board. Then, using a sharp knife, carefully chop the chives into 1/4 inch, 0.64 centimeter pieces. Place the chives into a plastic freezer bag, making sure to remove all of the air before sealing. The more airtight the bag is, the fresher they will be. Place the bag of chives on a flat surface in your freezer and leave them undisturbed to freeze for at least 2 to 3 hours. Freeze-dried chives can be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months before they lose freshness. When you're ready to use them, you don't need to let them thaw. Simply toss the correct amount into your recipe to season your dish.